AI cracked biology. Google's AlphaFold just solved protein structures in 3 seconds, tasks that took scientists years. This changes everything. Protein folding determines how every molecule in your body works. Cancer, Alzheimer's, heart disease, all protein problems. Scientists spent decades on single proteins, X-ray crystallography, nuclear magnetic resonance, months of work, sometimes years. AlphaFold does it instantly. Here's what blew my mind. The AI predicts 3D protein shapes from DNA sequences alone. No lab work, no expensive equipment, just raw computational power. Point 1. Drug discovery accelerates dramatically. New medicines in months instead of decades. Pharmaceutical companies are scrambling to integrate this technology. Point 2. Disease understanding explodes. We'll crack genetic disorders faster than ever. Huntington's, cystic fibrosis, ALS, all become solvable puzzles. Point 3. Synthetic biology revolution begins. Custom proteins for climate change, plastic-eating enzymes, carbon capture organisms. We're designing life itself. This isn't gradual progress. This is a fundamental leap. Biology just became an engineering discipline. The implications terrify and excite me. We're entering an age where biological design becomes as predictable as software coding. Subscribe for more AI breakthroughs that reshape reality. Hit the notification bell. This technology moves fast and you don't want to miss what's coming next.